Hello, Serenity Seekers. It's time to relax your mind and discover your glow. If it's your first time here, welcome. Or if you are a loyal subscriber, welcome back to your sanctuary of sound and silence. Settle in and prepare to soothe your soul. You're in the Rhythm N Glow Serenity Sessions. This is our mindful breathing meditation. As you join me today, allow yourself to step away from the busyness of daily life, to connect deeply with your breath, and to find a serene space within your mind and body. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position where you can remain alert yet relaxed. You may sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, on a cushion on the floor, or anywhere you feel supported and at ease. Gently close your eyes and allow your hands to rest loosely in your lap. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Feel your chest and belly expand as you fill your lungs completely. Hold that breath for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting all the air flow out. Feel a sense of release. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply. Feel the air move through your body. Now release. Allow your body to relax more and more on each exhale. Big breath in. Exhale fully. Allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. With each inhale, imagine a glowing light flowing through your nostrils, traveling down your body and filling your lungs, drawing in peace and stillness. This light can be whatever color you want it to be, whatever color that relaxes you or brings you comfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing dark grey smoke, letting go of any tension or stress. Keep breathing, allowing the light to fill your body. Moving down your shoulders, arms, and fingers. Filling your heart, lungs, and stomach. Breathe in. Allow the light to travel down your abdomen, hips, legs, and onto your toes. Imagine this light engulfing your entire body until you are surrounded by this glowing light. As you settle into this rhythm, bring your full attention to the sensation of the breath. Notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, the slight pause at the end of each inhale, and the warmth as you exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good job. Continue to observe your breath. If your mind begins to wander, it's perfectly okay. Notice the thoughts as they arise, and then, gently, without judgment, bring your focus back to your breath. This practice is not about stopping thoughts, but about learning to observe them without getting caught up in their stories. Feel the breath as it moves into your body, the rise and fall of your chest, the belly expanding and contracting. Each breath offers you an opportunity to be present, to be here, in the now. As we continue, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. letting each breath guide you to a deeper level of stillness. Imagine with every breath you are drifting into a state of deeper and deeper calm. Now, I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes, allowing you to delve deeper in the music and silence, to continue to connect with your breaths and observe your thoughts. Perfect. Slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the sounds around you. The feel of the chair or cushion beneath you. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. When you are ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel after this meditation. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Whatever you are experiencing is perfect for you. Thank you for joining this mindful breathing meditation. Remember, this peaceful space is always accessible to you, just a few mindful breaths away. Carry this calmness and clarity into the rest of your day. If you found value in today's meditation, please give us a like to let us know. Your support helps us continue to bring these peaceful moments to you and others. Don't forget to subscribe to Rhythm and Glow and hit the notification bell so you never miss a session. Join our community and be the first to access new meditations that help you maintain your rhythm and enhance your glow. Explore more meditations and lo-fi sessions on our channel to find your perfect relaxation soundtrack. Whether you're looking for a morning energizer, a quick midday reset, or a deep evening relaxation, we're here to help you find your calm. Thank you for being part of the Rhythm and Glow community. Until next time, keep finding your glow, peace, and serenity.